Today I'm going to put together for you the Vevor shoe cabinet. I've got all of my pieces sorted out. Everything is numbered. I've got all my hardware sorted and ready. So let's get to it. I did look at the directions before I started, but I always like to recheck many times. A little visit from my dog. So here we're starting with the first piece. I did use a drill for part of the assembly. Just on places I felt comfortable that I could use the drill. Also used a wooden mallet on that part there. That's the spot that once you put in the brackets on the doors, you'll see those little plastic pieces just needed a gentle tap into there. But as we move along, you're going to put in several of these like half screws that are meant to connect with other hardware pieces to give you really just a seamless fit. We almost got the first 4 pieces together here. So just a lot. They give you an Allen wrench, which has a screwdriver on the end of it. You could also just use a Phillips. So now the next part here is I'm actually attaching the bottom, and then next I will be putting on the little metal brackets for the feet or the legs of this cabinet. You want to make sure when you put these pieces on, these 4 metal pieces, that you're angling the low towards the outside corner. And you'll know what I mean when you're looking at the brackets. The brackets kind of look high at one point and slope down at one point. And all those slope downs should be towards the corners. So as you can see, I flipped it over, and now I'll continue to assemble the additional pieces. So we get the top on. I had a little bit of a challenge with this just because I don't think I had it quite lined up correctly. But I had to mess around with it. I had to get one little piece out so I could redo it, but I did get it in, no problem. So back down here, now we are going to install these side brackets. And these are what attaches to the metal or the plastic pieces that I had to pound in with that wooden mallet. Real easy to put on. You got 3 screws on each side. And then we're going to go ahead and pop this in. We'll actually do both doors first. So you get both doors set up with the brackets. And then once you finish that, you'll put the lower drawer in first. And I'll be doing that here in just a second. All right. And the handles, got those on. Those go on pretty easy. Now I think we're ready to assemble the drawers, but I looked at that many times. I wanted to make sure I was doing it correctly. And this also too, and I think this was just the angle that I was working at. It was a little difficult for me to initially get those screws in, but I did finally get them in the correct spot. And the second drawer then was much easier to install. But here I'm installing just the shelf. This gives you, you have 2 sections to put shoes, and then we'll also do the same for the top drawer. So now putting the top drawer in, again, this one was a little easier. Here's a visit from my other dog. Again, get that middle shelf in there. And then I was attempting to put on the brackets back here, but decided I better wait until I move it because I'm not quite sure which room where I was going to put this at the time. I now put it at an entrance. So there you have it, the Vevor shoe cabinet. Took me a little over 2 hours to assemble. I don't have this anchored to the wall yet because this is not its final place, so it might wiggle a little bit as I show you. But I did go ahead and start putting some shoes in. I was even able to put heels in here, no problem. You know, so you can put a variety of shoes in here. Slippers. So yeah, I really thought that this was going to be a more difficult to put together. It took a little time, but it really went together well. The instructions were clear. Just look at how everything lines up and you'll have no problem with it. The one thing I really love about this, besides that it holds so many shoes, is that it also has additional shelves. So if you put this maybe by a door entrance, you can put a basket up here for keys possibly. Maybe depending on the time of year, you're going to put a basket for hats and mittens or something like that. Or maybe cute little figurines just because it's right by your entryway. So great little cabinet, not little, the Vevor shoe cabinet.